Okay, and so hey YouTube, it's Darkbyte here, and today we're going to be looking at static. Alright, so we looked at static very briefly before, so we see it inside our main method every time, so let's just clear out all the stuff that we don't need, leave the main method here. So, what's static? Alright, so static basically means that there's only one instance of it, and you have to access it using... So say you access it from another class, then you access it using the name of the class and not creating an object of it. So there's some problems with static, and we'll be going through those, and there's some big advantages of static as well. So let's go over these. So let's create a static method here. Let's create a public static void, and let's call it print something, because I'm not thinking of anything original. I'm just showing you guys static. I'm not showing you guys anything else. You guys already know all the rest of the stuff, I hope, at least, because you guys are practicing. I hope again. Alright, so here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to print out bus wankers, because I have watched a show which I'm not going to say the name of because I'll probably get done for copyright. So here we go. We're going to go into the vehicle class now, and inside here we're going to call main dot, and we're going to call print something just because we're going to do something for some reason. So we're going to create a car just to see if this works. I don't know why we didn't just make another class, but I can't be bothered. So we're going to go 100, 100, and then we're going to name the car 100 as well. So here we go. We're going to run this. So a car was created. So as you can see, it's writing bus wankers, and we didn't have to make an object of anything. We just called it straight from the class. Alright, so that's basically what you need to know about what's it called. So here we go. Alright, so there's some other stuff on static, like static variables and stuff as well. So here we go. So say we make private static float hi there. Ooh, wait, we don't want to make a method, we just want to make a thing. So we're going to call this float hi there, and then we're going to go public void print number, and then we're going to put in a float parameter, so float x. So here we go, we're going to go sysout x, so we just made a method to print out something. Alright, so you guys should remember methods from a previous tutorial. Alright, so here we go. So we made this private static float called hi there, and we're going to put this in now, and what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to call hi there. So we're going to call this, so we're going to make an object of main for some reason, so main the new main. Right then, and we're going to call main dot we're going to call main dot print number, and then we're going to call hi there. So as you can see now, we don't have to do the specific thing. So if we put this on it, it won't work. So we're not accessing the class, we're accessing just straight up from this class. Alright, so there's some advantages and disadvantages. This is one of the this is basically just advantages at the moment. So here we go. 0, because we haven't set a value to it, so we're going to set it to 3.141592654, even though that's not going to go that much. It's not going to go that much because, you know, it's going to round it. So 3.1415927. Alright, so there we go. It says rounded up to 7. Alright, so ooh, God, I just had a voice crack. Ah, God, I thought I observed that. God damn you, puberty. Alright, so here we go. We're going to run this again. 3.1415927. So here we go. We're going to go main dot hi there is equal to 100, and we're going to get an error on purpose. Or no, we're going to get this thing. Alright, so we're just getting this little kind of compiler error saying that, here we go. So if we run this now, let's run this, and then we're going to go print number again and hi there and see what happens. Let's call print number again, and main dot print number, sorry, or this dot print number. No, we can't call it from the same class. Main dot print number. Since this is the main method, so here we go. Alright, so let's run this, and it's going 100 even though we did it in an object. Alright, so we've learned that. this static means that there's only one instance of it, and it's given us this little thing. So here we go. Let's change access to static. Oh yeah, and let's look at a disadvantage of it now. Alright, so say we create this nice little static method, static void print number, and then we decide to make this little private float xlol, so xlol. Let's just do the right casing, because even though we're going to make some weird ass variable name, we're still going to make a nice little casing stuff. I don't know. It's like we're gonna still case it right at least. Yeah, that's the word. Alright, so here we go. What we're gonna do now is we're going to go and print number x lol. And as you can see, it's giving us an error. So you can't make a static reference to the non-static field, because this is a field variable, because that's what variables are declared outside of methods are called field variables. So here we go. We can't make a reference to the non-static thing, so if we want to be able to use it inside the static method, we have to make it static as well. That's one bad thing about it. So yeah, if we want to use it inside a so say we make a static variable now, so private static float x lol static, and then we go x lol static is equal to x lol. Now as you can see, we're getting an error again, because we can't make this static variable be equal to a non-static variable without putting it into a non-static context. So we want new main.xlol. That'll be fine, because we've created an object. But we can't just straight up go and call a non-static variable inside the same without adding an object to it inside the same class. Yeah, so we gotta make a new main, or we gotta create a main thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it basically. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys next time. I hope I explained static properly. All you guys really gonna use static for is just to create methods when you don't need to have multiple things. So yeah, most of the time you'll be using dynamic to create objects of things inside games and inside like other things. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.